Feeling the burn of a packed schedule, double-booked appointments, and stressed-out technicians? Ever wonder if there's a secret handshake to unlock seamless scheduling in ServiceTitan, where every day runs like a well-oiled machine and overbooking is a distant nightmare? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the trenches of ServiceTitan to unearth the hidden gems and powerful strategies that will transform your scheduling process from a chaotic free-for-all into a masterpiece of efficiency. We're not just talking about avoiding overbooking. We're talking about optimizing your operations, boosting customer satisfaction, and putting more money back into your pocket. Let's be honest, overbooking isn't just an inconvenience. It's a silent killer for your service business. It leads to late arrivals, rushed jobs, frustrated customers, and ultimately, a damaged reputation. Your technicians, already under pressure, become even more stressed, leading to potential errors and decreased productivity. And for your customers, it translates to wasted time, missed appointments, and a feeling of being undervalued. In today's competitive landscape, where a single negative review can spread like wildfire, avoiding these pitfalls is not just a best practice. It's a necessity for survival and growth. But here's the good news. ServiceTitan, when utilized to its full potential, is a powerful antidote to the overbooking epidemic. It's more than just a CRM. It's a sophisticated scheduling and dispatching hub that offers a myriad of features designed to ensure you never bite off more than you can chew. The key, however, lies in understanding these features and implementing them strategically. This isn't just about clicking a few buttons. It's about a holistic approach to managing your resources, understanding your capacity, and leveraging the power of data. So, how do we transform this vision into reality? We're going to break it down into several actionable steps, starting with the foundational elements and then moving into more advanced tactics. Think of this as your masterclass in ServiceTitan scheduling. First and foremost, it all starts with accurate technician capacity planning. You can't avoid overbooking if you don't truly understand how much work your team can realistically handle. This goes beyond just the number of technicians you have. Consider factors like their skill sets, the typical duration of different job types, travel time between appointments, and even buffer time for unexpected issues. ServiceTitan allows you to define technician skills and specialties, ensuring that the right technician is assigned to the right job. Are they plumbing experts or HVAC gurus? Do they specialize in residential or commercial? Detailing this in ServiceTitan is crucial for intelligent dispatching. Furthermore, meticulously track average job durations. This data, often overlooked, is gold. If a routine maintenance check typically takes 45 minutes, factor that in, along with a realistic travel window. Don't fall into the trap of assuming every job is quick and easy. Next, mastering ServiceTitan's scheduling board is paramount. This is your command center, and understanding its visual cues and functionalities is key. Pay close attention to the color-coded status of appointments, technician availability, and any alerts for potential conflicts. The drag-and-drop functionality is intuitive, but don't just move appointments haphazardly. Before moving an appointment, analyze the impact on the technician's entire day. Are you creating a new bottleneck elsewhere? ServiceTitan provides a visual representation of your daily schedule, making it easy to identify potential gaps or overlaps. Train your dispatchers to not just react to incoming calls, but to proactively manage the board, looking ahead to identify and resolve potential issues before they escalate. One of ServiceTitan's most powerful yet often underutilized features is its intelligent dispatching capabilities. This isn't just about assigning the next available technician. ServiceTitan can factor in technician location, skill set, travel time, and even customer history to suggest the most optimal technician for a job. Configure your dispatch zones accurately. This reduces travel time and ensures your technicians are spending more time on the job and less time on the road. Leverage the recommended technician feature. ServiceTitan's algorithms are designed to optimize efficiency, so trust its recommendations, especially when starting out. As you gain more experience, you can fine-tune these suggestions based on your unique operational nuances. Crucially, implementing buffer times between appointments is a non-negotiable strategy. In the real world, jobs rarely go exactly as planned. Unexpected issues arise, traffic jams occur, and customers might have additional questions. Building in a realistic buffer, even just 15 to 30 minutes, can prevent a domino effect of delays throughout the day. ServiceTitan allows you to customize these buffer times within your scheduling templates. Don't be afraid to add them. It's better to have a slightly looser schedule that runs smoothly than a packed schedule that constantly falls behind. This small adjustment can significantly reduce technician stress and improve customer satisfaction. Furthermore, proactive communication with customers is your secret weapon. If you anticipate a delay, inform your customer immediately. ServiceTitan's automated notification system is invaluable here. Set up SMS or email reminders for appointments and send updates if a technician is running late. A well-informed customer is a much happier customer, even if there's a slight delay. This transparency builds trust and minimizes frustration. Leverage ServiceTitan's customer communication tools to set up automated reminders and proactive updates. This small effort can significantly reduce no-shows and disgruntled customers. Let's talk about leveraging ServiceTitan's reporting and analytics. This is where you gain true insight into your scheduling efficiency. Regularly review reports on technician utilization, average job times, and reschedule rates. These metrics will highlight areas where you might be consistently overbooking or where your capacity planning needs adjustment. Are certain job types consistently taking longer than estimated? Are specific technicians always running behind? These reports provide the data you need to make informed decisions and fine-tune your scheduling strategies. ServiceTitan offers a plethora of customizable reports. Don't just glance at them. Dig deep and analyze the trends. This data-driven approach is critical for continuous improvement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.